Indices Algebra Exercise 4A question number 5. Let's solve all parts of question number 5. Book D3 Exercise 4A question number 5. Simplify h squared k into h11 k9. The rule is when their two bases are multiplied, the same bases are multiplied, the powers are added. So we will use the rule and solve this question. Now let's do the question, part A. h squared k multiplied by h11 k9. Now h squared and h11 will be multiplied by k into k9. This step is an unnecessary step, but to make you more understand, I'm doing this step. You can even skip this step as well. And now you can simply write h 2 plus 11 multiplied by k 1 plus 9. When there is no power of k, the power is 1. So I used 1 power plus 9 because they both are multiplied. Now it is h 13 and k 10. Simple, we have solved this part. Now moving on to part B and using the same rule. Minus m7 n cube, it is multiplied with 4 times m11 n9. Now we know that again the power m has a power 7 and this m is having a power 11, so we will use minus m 7 plus 11 and n 3 plus 9. But what about this number 4? Since it's not multiplied with anything, so it means that this is multiplied with the coefficient of these two variables as 1. So 1 4 times is 4. So we will write 4 over here as it is. Now we know that it is 4. 7 plus 11 is 18, and when we have any even power, the negative number becomes positive. So it will become m 18 and n 12. So this is the answer of part B. Now moving on to part C, it is 11p6 q7 multiplied by 2p3 q10. When we are solving this, it is 11 2s are 11 will be multiplied with 2, p6 plus 3, the two powers of p are added, and similarly q7 plus 10. Now 11 2s are 22, p6 plus 3 is 9, and q7 plus 10 is 17. I hope it is clear. Now moving on to part D. Part D says h9 k6 divided by h5 k4. For this we will use a rule. When two bases, same bases, are being divided with different powers, the bases are same, so we write the base at once and powers are subtracted. Similarly, we use the power, this power rule over here, and it will become h9 divided by h5 means that h9 minus 5, k6 divided by k4 is k6 minus 4. So we will have h4 and k2. Similarly, part E, 15 m8 and 7 divided by 3 m square n. Similarly, 15 will be divided by 3, so 15 by 3, m power 8 divided by m power, so it's 8 minus 2, n power 7 divided by only n, so 7 minus 1. Since there is no power over here, so we use the power n as 1. Now we will divide 15 divided by 3 is 5, m power 8 minus 2, it is 6, and again n power is 6 as well. Moving on to the last part, which is the F part of this question number 5. It is minus 10 x5 y6 in the bracket, and it is divided by minus 2 xy cube. Now the number negative 10 will be divided by negative 2, so we will use negative 10 by negative 2. X again will be divided by 5 minus 1 because there is no power of x, so we use the power 1. So 5 minus 1 and y 6 minus 3. So we will have The sign rule of division also says that when there are two negative signs and they are divided, the sign becomes positive. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, x power 4 and y power 3. I hope the question number 5 is completely clear.
Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel